Hello guys, so how to change margins in Google Docs. So it's really easy with left and right margin. So we have like a sample text here, and to change left and right margin you just need to go here and hold it, and that's how you change your left and right margin. Of course, obviously that's like really easy. If you want to change top and bottom margin, it's also easy to go to File, Page Setup, and here you can change basically all margins on all document. And also, as we can see, we already changed left and right margin, so they are displayed here as changed. But this way, we are File, Page Setup, you can change all margins for all doc. You can just put like some random numbers. And if you want to set as default, all these margins will be set for all documents, so it's really handy. Also on this menu you can choose either portrait or landscape, and you can choose paper size. Even you can choose like paper background color, page color of your Google Doc page. So let's just try set these margins. As you can see, they were set automatically, and now they are like this. So this is basically how it works. This is how you change margins on all your Google Docs. Thanks for watching.